So you really want to glow without exfoliating your skin. Oh, it's just like me praying for a bigger booty without planning for surgery or sit-ups. That's weird. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your body scrub with your homemade things to exfoliate your skin. So first and foremost, why is body scrub necessary? Because it removes dead cells from your skin, makes your skin healthier and glowy. You cannot have a glowy skin without scrubbing your skin. It is not possible. In case you want to edit your life out of your picture. So keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section so I'll know what you think about this video. So let's get to the tutorial. So to start, I'll be using this flat transparent plate and sugar. Normally brown sugar is the best, but I don't have brown sugar, so I'll use this one. Sugar is a main ingredient for this body scrub, so we use sugar. We're adding a little baking soda. Look at the quantity I made. I'll be adding my honey. Lemon. Glycerin. I'll be adding my olive oil. And before I forget, salt. Now we're mixing it. Then last but not the least, I'll be adding my turmeric here. Just a little turmeric. So here, your scrub is ready. You can now start using it to scrub your skin. So now our scrub is ready. I'll be showing you how to use it. Too much. You scrub your skin in a circular motion. You can remove all the dead cells from your skin. Make your skin brighter all through the day. Not just a day, can be forever. So I'll go wash it off now and come back and compare both of my hands so you can see the difference. So after washing it off, this is how it looks like. See as my skin is glowy and it's actually very soft. But that is on my skin 3 times a week, I'm just telling you, because every time you scrub your skin, it becomes fresher. It brings the innermost parts of your skin and scrubs out all the dead cells on top of your skin. So that's it for this video. As you can see, my skin is glowy. It's actually very beautiful. It makes your skin look younger. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And I know you're gonna miss me. See you in my next video.